Explain your sign, if you will. It's for a YouTube channel.
I saw the sign abandoned. I saw the sign abandoned. Someone, having too much fun, so maybe they dropped it. But yeah, I've been waiting a long time for this, and super emotional. So I can't believe it. A lot of we've seen a lot of the division, and especially against. I don't want to really bring it there, but a lot of these guys, Caucasian, white guys, and they've taken a lot of shit for a long time. And, I wanted to come here to observe. I lived downtown my whole life, but I will be coming here even more. If they say we're shutting it down, then I'm coming even harder. So it's just incredible.
What do you think about the citizens of Ottawa who are complaining about the honking and this is not the right way to protest and all that? What would you say to the Ottawa citizens?
Because I know these areas a lot, the Glebe, the downtown. We have been living very comfortable downtown. Lots of the upgrades. We live very nice, very good downtown. So I'm very shocked that people cannot take 2 weeks of noise, but they can take the 3 years of all the changes. So I'm very disappointed, honestly. But I forgive them because they are also being not brainwashed, but they're also being told different things. So very emotional. Been up and down all day, crying, happy, sad. But it's just incredible. And I always dreamed when I was a kid that Ottawa I would hope that Ottawa would be a place where something would happen, but there's so many other major cities in the world, so it would never happen in Ottawa. And so I just can't believe it that Ottawa, and I'm older now and I can fight and I just can't believe it, man. Ottawa is the place where it's happening. I honestly can't believe it, man. It's crazy. So
a lot of people are saying they're feeling Canadian pride for the first time in a long time here. Can you relate?
Yes, yeah, and I go all the way with work, So 15 years, and they threatened for the firing and everything. So off work with no pay and stuff, and I didn't prepare a lot in my life because a couple chronic illnesses, mistakes with the money, and so I wasn't prepared a lot for this. So it's really strange for them to get rid of these guys, the truckers. Everything I own is from these guys. And I remember as a kid, the TV shows, commercials, they always made these guys seem like the worst guys, and now they're here, man, and they're not getting paid for sure. So it's just crazy. I'm talking way too much.
No, bring it in, man. Bring it in. I was talking to a normie friend last night. Thank you for sharing that. I was talking to a normie friend last night, and he was like, "Oh, I don't like what the government's doing, but those truckers, that's all. They're dumb. They're idiots." And it's just so like disheartening to hear how they are like brainwashed, or they're in that like they're so close-minded.
Yes. If things are of such a certainty, then we would all be getting the vaccine. If it was of a certainty, then we would all be doing the Band-Aid. But when there's the doubt and everything, then you can't do it like this. It's quite clear, and I'm praying, I'm asking these guys, don't move. If you guys don't move, we don't move. So don't leave us with the insane. Don't leave us. These guys, they never take a day off, so we can. The evil, they never take a day off.